Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to AppSec's online support program. This is the video lesson for class. Textbook Integrated Studies, Computer Science, Chapter 13, Task Set the Timings. Summary of the lesson is, in this lesson we are going to learn more about add timings to your slides animation. We make slides on Microsoft PowerPoint, add different animation. We also set timings to our slides where we have added animation. So today we are going to know more about how can we add timings to our animations.
Integrity is doing the right thing when no one is watching. Objective of our lesson is today we will learn how to set the animation timing. Success criteria: to start the animation effect immediately after the previous effect in the list finishes, select after previous. So we will learn how can we adjust animation timing. Okay, so you can set an animation effect to start when you click the mouse or in coordination with other animation effects on the slide. On the slide, click the text or object that contains the animation effect that you want to set the start timing for. On the Animations tab, click the start down arrow and pick one of the following. To start the animation, when you click the slide, select on click to start the animation at the same time as the previous effect in the list, where one click executes multiple animation effects, select with previous. To start the animation effect immediately after the previous effect in the list finishes, select after previous. Okay, so let's just have a practical view of these instructions. Okay, for instance, this is your PowerPoint presentation and I want to apply animations and the timing so that when my animation is starting, I can see the duration and delay. I can add the duration where we can specify the length of an animation or play the animation of a certain number of seconds. So for instance, this is my first slide. I want to add animation to this text box. Okay, I want this animation. Now I want to start my animation when I am clicking on my mouse or with previous or after previous. Okay, so I want to add the duration for my animation. So I am adding the duration as less than as I can, 50 seconds, and I want to delay the animation timing. So I am adding 25 seconds over here. So this way we can add timings to our animations. Okay, so my first sentence has this timings. Okay, on the second one I want to add this animation and I am adding time again because I need to add timings to the second animations also. So I am adding animation to this also. So 25 seconds is enough. Okay, then I am want animation to the third sentence. Again I am adding timing. You can add duration and delay to your animation. Alright, if you want to click it with the start, animation can start after a mouse click. If you want to add your mouse click, then you can write on click. If you want to set the timing as the previous animation or after the previous animation, it is already done over here. Okay, I am adding mouse click option over here. So okay, so let's just play this animation and see. Alright, so this way you can add animation timings. Alright, if you need to play this and see how it basically looks like, then you can see. So after the delay timing, it will gradually show your animation one by one. Okay, I am pressing the arrow keys because it is just to show you how it basically works. Alright, so integrity is the quality of the being honest. It is the practice of being honest and consistent to strong moral and ethical principles. Integrity is basically doing the right thing when no one is watching. It is not important that everyone is watching, then you need to do the right thing. Integrity is basically regarded as a honesty and truthfulness or accuracy of one's actions. So you need to be the person who do the right thing when no one is watching. Okay, so take care of your family. Don't forget to smile.